Hi, this is Sandeep Mittal, Technical Director at Runetone, bringing you yet another exciting episode of Hear Yourself. This time is different, very different. Here we are in the middle of nature, and that's because matte is very natural in terms of its raw materials, in terms of its natural ability to absorb sound. No perforations. The whole panel itself absorbs sound. In the last episode of Hear Yourself, the link of which is in the description below, we shared that our matte portfolio is divided into 3 parts and that each part has got 3 products for your easy understanding. So in the previous episode we did matte panels, and now in this episode we will do matte variants and matte discretes. This episode would then complete the matte portfolio. Part 2 is matte variants, and we've got 3 products for you. First is Matte Ebony, core pigmented black with a surface coating that is non-glossy black as well. What this does is sound absorption for sure, but more importantly, light absorption as well for enclosed places where that's necessary. Check out this Golden Temple Plaza Museum and many of the cinemas where black is important for picture quality. Acoustically, Matte Ebony 20mm C25 mounting gives 0.65. Matte Ebony 15mm East 300 mounting with Synth PF as overlay gives 0.75. Second is Matte Graphics, which was introduced last year. And finally, themed interiors with acoustics is a new possibility. Your print transferred by us on the matte surface, and here you can see nature, forest view, and here I am in nature. So we can theme it the way you want it. Feel inspired with Rangoli prints for the Satsang and Meditation Hall. Note the adjacency printing of the larger Rangoli prints. Or how about a few pottery prints on the matte acoustical ceiling for the pottery section of a museum. And for the walls, it's cricket as a mural for the stadium entrance. Third product in part 2 is Matte BSB, and a very different product in terms of its acoustical attribute. While all the rest in the matte portfolio are for sound absorption, Matte BSB is for noise isolation. To know the difference between sound absorption and noise isolation, we've done a video, Season 9, Episode 11, and the link of which is provided in the description below. Matte BSB is high density, it's got a mass of 900 kg per meter cube, 18 mm thick, and because of its microfiber core, it has unique damping and resilience characteristics. Combine Matte BSB with Tough Block and make soundproof walls, highly efficient soundproof walls for critical spaces like multiplexes, studios, conference rooms, and many other applications. Acoustically, Matte BSB is high SPC, which is natural for a noise isolating product, but very importantly and significantly, Matte BSB is also good for sound absorption at the lower frequencies. 0.25 may be the NRC, which is low, but it is 1 at 125 Hz. Check out these 4 different places. The pictures come by. Gopalan Multiplex, Bengaluru, Vrindavan Tech Park, Bengaluru, XLRI Xavier School of Management, Jamshedpur, Hotel Glades, Mohali, all for noise isolation. Part 3, and we've got 3 products for you. Matte Discretes. Discrete means each panel is installed independently. There is no mask framing for several panels. First is Matte Duo, an acoustical hanging baffle that is suspended from the roof with the U-clips. The full system being engineered and supplied by Runetone, installed by our channel partners, as you can see in the slide coming up. The acoustical advantage of Matte Duo is that in an open plenum, both sides of the panel, both sides absorb sound, which makes it doubly efficient and very economical too, as just a few lightweight baffles does the trick, what otherwise would be a full wall-to-wall ceiling. Check out these inspirations: Matte Duo at an art gallery and Matte Duo at an underground metro station. Second is Matte Duo Graphics, which is actually the digital printing of Matte Duo, as you can see here. You can have the same print or different prints on the same panel. Feel inspired by Matte Duo Graphics in a Galaxy theme for this computer games hall in a shopping mall. Third is Matte Duo Shapes, which is similar to Matte Duo but with shapes, as you can see here. This is green, they are in so much greenery today. Matte Duo Shapes, trapezoid painted blue in this picture to the entrance tunnel of a stadium, and Matte Duo Shapes as S rhombus, printed with flags of different colors How beautiful. For this reception center of an Olympic village, setting the theme and the mood for the athletes. Tokyo Olympics is next year, 2021, thanks to the virus. MAT is Green Pro certified, which means MAT fulfills the stringent requirements of green certification for a product. Natural materials, low energy manufacturing process, recycled content, recyclability, thermoacoustic insulation of buildings that saves energy, and many more features. Green Pro is a confederation of Indian industry CII initiative supported by IGBC, Indian Green Building Council. You will see the certificates alongside as I speak. Please do check out the MAT 2020 brochure on our website under the media tab, the link of which is provided in the description below. Please also do check out our videos on our website under the media tab, and the link is again there below. And do make sure that you do not miss our videos in the future by subscribing to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications. This is Sandeep Mittal signing off, and see you again next time in the next episode of Hear Yourself. Until then, it's bye bye.